To draw a pumpkin leaf real easy, you're going to need a pencil, a pen and an eraser. But let's not talk about it. Let's do it. Let's start with the line going through the drawing like that, and then we're going to draw an X. So these lines will be slightly shorter, those will be slightly longer, and then we'll draw a line to about there. Right on this line here we're going to draw a circle, and then in between those two lines we're going to draw a circle, and in between those two lines we're going to draw a circle, and then we're going to draw a kind of at the top of these lines we're going to draw these kind of triangle-y kind of shapes like that, which gives us the basic outline shape that we're after.
This video is inspired by my new book, How to Draw Halloween Stuff Real Easy. It is packed with over 160 Halloween ideas. You can get the book from Amazon, ebook downloads from Amazon and Spring underneath this video. You'll get it for free, as well as lots of other stuff when you join me on Patreon. All the links and details are in the description box below.
Let's start about here. I'm going to go out and around, and then we're going to go into that kind of bubble. And these shapes that we've done are just as a guide, really. We'll come around into there, and then we'll come up and around and into that little circle, around and into that little circle, and around, and then this is actually going to come down there because it's kind of hidden underneath. And then this is going to be the stalk, and here we could have a little spirally kind of thing, a little tendril. If you want to know how to draw a tendril, yes, I've done a drawing on how to draw tendrils as well. So we can draw these are the veins, and they will be going off up there, and then we can sort of flick extra veins in like that, and they will be sort of opposite each other. Then all you need to do is erase those pencil lines and go and find another of my videos showing you how to draw the pumpkin. Thanks for watching, and make sure you are subscribed to Draw Stuff Real Easy, and keep coming back for lots more drawing videos every week. In the meantime, keep drawing, 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 practice, 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 and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye bye.